Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Practitioner. Practitioner means person actively engaged in art, discipline, or profession. For example, patients are treated by skilled practitioners. Patients are treated by skilled practitioners. Synonyms: practitioner, performer, player.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Who trains the Reiki practitioner to diagnose clients' problems? Now, repeat after me. Who trains the Reiki practitioner to diagnose clients' problems? The second exemplar. Ideally, individualized formulae would be prescribed by fully trained practitioners. Now, repeat after me. Ideally, individualized formulae would be prescribed by fully trained practitioners. The third exemplar. He is a skilled practitioner of the art of eye contact. Now, repeat after me. He is a skilled practitioner of the art of eye contact.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The dot on top of I and J is called tittle. I didn't even know there was a word for it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.